Hello and welcome to the beautiful world of Aartistic Bake. This is me, Aarti Gupta here, back again with a beautiful chocolate recipe. It is also a time-saving recipe. The name of the recipe is 2 minutes Mug Brownie. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients that we require is flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, oil, water, baking powder and few dark chocolate chunks. Measurements of the ingredients will be listed down in the description box. So let's begin. So we require a normal teacup. In this teacup we will add flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, baking powder. So now we will mix everything. So now we will add oil and water. Now mix everything. Once you have mixed everything, just insert a block of chocolate chunk in the center. Cover the chocolate chunk with the batter and microwave it for 2 minutes. So now let's place it in the microwave. So after 2 minutes in the microwave, this is how it will look like. So now let's dig into the microwave brownie. Can you see the lava? Have a taste test to this 2 minutes lava mug brownie. Super delicious, super yum. No one can resist it. Please go and make it. Do let me know in the comment section how did it turn out. Don't forget to hit the like, share and comment button. And don't forget to subscribe.